Hi everyone, welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. It's been a while. I'm back. I've missed all of you guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for all the support and the kindness, the comments, the messages that you've sent me, the cards and things you've sent in the mail. It has just been overwhelming and really touches my heart. That you guys missed me that much while I was gone. So for most of you, you probably realize, it's been probably 3 weeks ago, I was out in the garage and something hit me in the head very hard, and I was kind of in and out there for a minute, and ended up with a concussion, a mild concussion. So I have stayed away from screens, televisions, and cell phones, and computer screens and whatnot for as much as I can. So I'm behind on comments and messages and returning those to you guys. So I'm sorry about that, but I will be trying to get caught up here in the next week or two. So I just wanted to jump on and say hello and hi, and I've missed you, and say thank you. And then also I wanted to share with you this project. So Allie, the Cockney crafter, asked me a while back if I would be interested in using one of her digital kits to make a project. Allie's trying to break into the digital kit world, and so she has a few things there. And I will make sure that I put her link below for her shop, for her YouTube, Instagram, all that, and then I'll make sure I put a link in for the kit that I chose to use of Allie's for a project. So I will quit yakking and open this up. So I created a cute little soft cover journal out of an envelope, and it is covered with a piece of wallpaper. This was gifted to me by Linda Nagel. She sent me a bunch of wallpaper samples because I just didn't have access to those. So anyway, the kit is called Lily, but it's mostly purple color tones, florals, butterflies, and then as you notice from the cover here, you will see that reoccurring theme in her kit of the woman's vote. So down here it says, what a woman may be and yet not have the vote. Mayor, nurse, mother, doctor, teacher, factory hand. What a man may have been yet not lose the vote. Convict, lunatic, and some other things that I'm not going to read aloud. But the reoccurring theme, like I said, is kind of like women's, it was like the women's right to vote. So there's a calendar page there from 1962. That's an actual calendar page. Here's one of the pictures that she has in there. So a cute little picture of, looks like three besties. And then the music paper I put in here is Marching with the Heroes. It was out of a hymnal book, but I thought that kind of fits. There's some invoice pages. There's more of that theme, Votes for Women. And then this is like a ticket, Votes for Women, procession from Victoria Embankment to Hyde Park. So then here's like a little advertisement from that time period. Another advertisement. And in the pockets I've just put pieces of paper to journal on. And so all these music pages with the butterflies, those are from her kit. As well as she has some blank papers in there. Now hers are full size, I think like A4 size, maybe they're 8.5 by 11. I printed them out in a 5 by 7 size because I wanted this to be a sort of a mini journal. I'm giving it to my daughter, so I wanted it to be kind of portable. So there's a picture of, I don't know if they're two sisters or a mom with a daughter, and there's the Votes for Women thing. Oh, and there's the larger image of it. So pretty, what is those, hydrangeas, I think. Okay, so it's 2 signatures. So if you like purple, this is a good kit for you. There's a lot of purple tones in the album. It's just a butterfly. I fussy cut it out of one of the pages and put it on this piece of paper to journal on. This old, it looks like an old invoice paper, was from the kit as well. And then this is a hymnal page. We're marching to Zion, and there's a home eternal. So, and I just cut out the butterfly and put it on there. And then there's one of these that I've cut out. Little advertisement from the time period, and I've created a little pocket here from an envelope, from a window envelope. And then there's some other little things that are part of the kit. I've just poked them back here. Now this, she had on an invoice, and I fussy cut around the edges of it and wanted to make a pocket using the flowers. So it's very feminine. Oh, it was on this. She had that with this over here, and I fussy cut it out so I could use this for a pocket and use that part for a pocket. And I put a little button on there. And then here's a see if I can get that to come into focus. Votes for Women meeting. They're holding a sign announcing a meeting. And then there's that card again about women and voting. And here's a picture of a family. We have a strong woman there. And so I chose this kit of Allie's just because I love the coloring, but also because it just seems so fitting with everything that's going on right now. I don't talk politics on my channel, and I'm not going to, but I thought this would just be a neat little journal that I could give my daughter, who is getting ready to be 21. So this will be the first presidential election. And here's an envelope from the kit. This will be the first U.S. presidential election that she'll have been able to vote in. So I thought, oh, that's kind of neat. I'm going to write a little something in that for her and give it to her, and so that during this time, as we're getting ready to vote this November, she can think about these women and what they've done for giving the rights to vote for women. Now, I think this is because Allie's in England. These are probably British images that she's come across, but those ladies did the same thing there that they did here and marched for that and made the difference for us. So anyway, this kit is on Allie's shop, and I'll make sure, like I said, to put the link below, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm so glad to be back. I've missed all of you, and I will see you again very, very soon. Stay safe, be well. Speak to you all very soon. Bye-bye.